I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file exempt on your W-4. To qualify, you must meet two main conditions. First, you had no federal income tax liability in the prior tax year. Second, you anticipate having no federal income tax liability in the current tax year. This typically applies if your income is below the standard deduction amount for your filing status. To claim exempt status, you'll need to complete a new Form W-4. On line 4C, simply write the word exempt. It's crucial that you do not enter any other information on lines 5, 6, or 7, as this would contradict your exempt claim. Submit the completed form to your employer, and they will adjust your federal income tax withholding accordingly. Remember, your exempt status is not permanent. It's only valid for 1 year. You must submit a new Form W-4 to your employer by February 15 each year to maintain this status. If your circumstances change and you expect to owe federal income tax, you should update your W-4 immediately. Incorrectly claiming exempt can lead to underpayment penalties. It's important to understand when not to claim exempt. If you anticipate owing federal income tax for the year, you should not claim this status. Also, remember that claiming exempt only applies to federal income tax withholding. It does not exempt you from Social Security or Medicare taxes, also known as FICA taxes. If you work multiple jobs, claiming exempt is usually not recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.